Thank you for choosing the Afshan Farm Media Production channel to watch. Today, we will talk about living simple in a new world. Life will be different from now on. Living an honest and simple life can bring us a sense of peace and contentment that cannot be achieved through material possessions or social status. When we live with honesty and simplicity, we eliminate the need for constant comparison and competition with others. We are content with what we have and who we are, which can lead to a deeper level of satisfaction in life. In addition to personal happiness, living an honest and simple life can also lead to gaining respect from others. When we are honest in our dealings with others, we build trust and establish a positive reputation. This can lead to stronger and more meaningful relationships, both personally and professionally. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine and authentic, and living a simple life can help us to embody these qualities. Living an honest and simple life also means that we are not focused on material possessions or superficial desires. Instead, we prioritize relationships, experiences, and personal growth. This can inspire others to do the same and can create a positive ripple effect in our communities. When we live with simplicity, we also reduce our impact on the environment, which can further increase respect from others. In summary, living an honest and simple life can bring us personal happiness, while also gaining respect and admiration from those around us. By focusing on what truly matters in life, we can create a fulfilling and meaningful existence for ourselves and inspire others to do the same.